Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts to lesson number 29, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, so in this lesson I'm going to show you how to assign a string to a variable. Alright, it's going to be pretty interesting. So basically assigning a string to a variable is done with a variable name followed by a equal sign, okay, equal sign and the string. Now let me show you how it works. So let's see, let me log into my Jetson Nano and there you go, I have already logged in. So let's do one thing guys, let's create a new file. Now you might be wondering why I am asking you guys to always create a new file for every lesson, and then it's a kind of tedious job. But guys, remember, there is a specific reason why I am asking you guys to create a new file always and open that into a Python executable file. There's a reason, because I want you guys to get used to the command lines using the terminal, using the Linux terminal, and then execute the codes. That's the way you practice, right? Now let's open a new file called just name anything, nano, what do we name it? All right, string variable dot py. Okay, all right, I am into nano. Let me give you an example how this works. A equal to, say, hello in double quote, and then print, what do I print? A. It's so simple, right? It's as simple as that. It's a very simple thing guys, assigning a variable in a string or string in a variable, right? Both the way it works. Let's see how it is. Let me now just save it. Control O, enter, Control X. All right, now let me execute this Python file. Python3 string variable dot py. There you go, hello, right? It's as simple as that. So I hope this is clear guys. It's a pretty straightforward and a simple example of how to assign a string to a variable, right? So you are going to use these tactics and methods pretty often, very often. So do practice, and yeah, that's about it for this lesson. Give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to this channel, and ask me any questions if you want. Just leave a comment or reach out to me on my email. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.